You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This is an exclamation or an onomatopoeia, the way of expressing disgust. Ugh is how it's usually pronounced. Ugh, ugh. If for more onomatopoeias and more English pronunciation, stay tuned, but remember this one. Ugh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.